Whether you are dealing with oversized display settings on your Android phone, fighting a zoomed-in specific app, or dealing with a blown-up Windows desktop, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore your normal screen size. Let's jump right in. First up, let's fix this on Android. If your text looks massive, or the apps on your home screen feels way too zoomed in, swipe up to open your app drawer and tap the settings gear icon. From here, scroll down and tap on display. First, look for font size and style. If your font style isn't set to default, tap it and select default from the list. Next, check the bold font toggle. If it's turned on, switch it off so your text isn't taking up so much space. Right below that, you will see the text size slider. If it's pushed way to the right, drag that slider right into the middle for a comfortable, balanced look. Now hit the back arrow to go back to the main display menu and tap on Screen Zoom. Just like before, grab the slider at the bottom and center it. You should instantly see your screen layout snap right back to normal. Next, if only a specific program looks oversized, while the rest of your desktop is fine, that usually happens when you accidentally trigger App Zoom. First, click anywhere inside the app window to make sure it's active. Now for the quickest fix, simply press Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 if you are on a Mac. That instantly resets your view right back to the default 100% zoom level. Bonus tip: if your entire browser suddenly fills the whole screen and all your tabs, menus, and task bars disappear, you accidentally hit full screen mode. Just press the F11 key on your keyboard to instantly bring your screen menus back. Finally, let me show you exactly how to fix your entire Windows system if everything, which is your icons, menus, and taskbar, looks giant. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop and click on Display Settings. In the window that opens, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. Under Scale, click the drop-down menu and choose the option labeled Recommended. This is usually 100% or 125%, depending on your screen size. Right beneath that, check the Display Resolution drop-down. Make sure it is set to the resolution marked Recommended as well. The moment you select it, your desktop and icons will snap right back into crisp, normal alignment. And that's it. Your screen should now be completely back to normal, whether you were fixing an Android phone, a zoomed-in browser, or your Windows display settings.